Las Vegas is the most populous city in the state of Nevada. With its brilliant light displays along the Strip, Las Vegas has been unofficially named the brightest city on Earth when viewed from space. The Venetian Las Vegas is the largest AAA five-diamond resort in the Americas. Combined with the Venezia Tower, the Sands Expo Convention Center, and the Palazzo Las Vegas, these properties comprise the largest hotel and resort complex in the world. With over 7,000 suites, the Venetian, Venezia, and Palazzo authentically recreate the famous Italian city of Venice, known throughout the world for its canals, gondoliers, and rich Italian history. These resorts rely on a continuous and predictable supply of power. To ensure a world-class guest experience around the clock, the Venetian properties have implemented the most advanced redundant power and facility management system on the Strip, all managed by Wonderware software.
Wonderware solution actually saves us a lot by us being able to go out there and seeing if anything is going bad. One thing we can't do is afford to be down at any time. We are one company, basically one hotel. If we lose any power or disrupt the guests, they leave and they don't come back. By having the solutions, we can go out there and preempt anything going bad before it does.
With over 67 acres and approximately 14 million square feet, the property is enormous. Managing the facility's 66 substations is a gargantuan task made a little bit easier by Wonderware software.
The management system is vital to the Venetian because of the largeness of the property. And in event of emergency, we can get online and see exactly what's going on while we're dispatching someone to look at the problem. It gives us an idea of what to tell them to look for when they get there.
Working with distributor Wonderware West, systems integrator ESC Engineering has collaborated with the Venetian properties to provide a facilities and power management software solution to provide real-time status monitoring. And Wonderware software solutions were the right choice.
Probably the greatest benefit that Wonderware has provided the Venetian in this power management system is real-time status monitoring. Data is used to look at what power usage is, but status monitoring, be able to tell the position of every breaker, faults, alarms, allows the facility staff to respond at a moment's notice and helps them to minimize disruption, which has the biggest effect to the Venetian's bottom line. So with them being able to minimize that disruption, it has had a huge benefit for this facility. And the flexibility to grow with the system as the electrical system grows as well.
The Venetian properties operate off 138,000 volts coming directly from Nevada Power. The power is then broken down through 2 transformers to 25,000 volts and distributed through 66 substations. These substations provide power to the entire property. If for some reason power is interrupted, the redundancy system will help to ensure that guests are unaffected. A typical double-ended substation has isolating switches, a main transformer, and a main breaker on each end. In the middle is a tie breaker. As long as both utility power feeds are available, both main breakers are closed and the tie is open. 62 PLCs are used throughout the property. All the monitoring and control communications occur over a secure and dedicated fiber optic-based Ethernet network. Though the combined properties consume about as much energy as a town of 60,000 people, it does so in the most efficient way possible. In fact, the Palazzo has been recognized as the largest green building in the world. From the opening of the Venetian in 1999, as the property grew to include the Venezia and the Palazzo Towers, Wonderware software has helped the facilities team to power the expansion with confidence.
The main reporting in Wonderware has actually saved us when we're just the Venetian, we added Venezia. We actually took the reports that it saved to see where we could add power to build other buildings and to see the usage. And then when we built the Palazzo, we used it to see how much more we could use, where we can save it. And it's just a lifesaver. I can't see not having it.
Wonderware software is entrusted to control and monitor the power and facility management of the $5 billion campus because of its ease of use and reliability. Wonderware software solutions have been integral to the success of the properties both today and tomorrow.
In Las Vegas, things operate at warp speed. Buildings go up in the blink of an eye, and the Venetian's no exception to that. It was the Venetian, and they added one tower after another, so we've had to respond fairly quickly as they've had expansions to the system, and Wonderware has allowed us to do that cost effectively and quickly, quite honestly.
Along with the increased efficiency realized by using Wonderware software, the Venetian properties realize a direct impact on their bottom line. An extended loss of power can mean billions of dollars in lost revenue.
If a substation goes down, that's disruption. And that disruption affects patrons, it affects cash flow to the property. And the goal was to keep power up 24/7. What we can do right now is allow them to monitor every aspect of the electrical system in real time, in many cases being able to make corrections remotely, or if they have to go to a problem, they can resolve it faster, minimizing the disruption to the patrons.
The world's largest resort and hotel complex, in the heart of Las Vegas, keeps the excitement of world-class entertainment and gaming going 24/7, with a little help from Wonderware.